Today, we are going to show you how to unbox and set up your new Neo bike. The Neo bike is heavy, so we recommend that you have a friend to help you with the setup. Make sure that your box is laid down on its side before you begin removing the pieces. This is everything that you will need to complete the setup of your Neo bike. It is important to note that there are 3 different sizes of bolts that you will need. One 130mm bolt, one 90mm bolt, and 2 65mm bolts. The Neo bike also comes with an 8mm Allen key, a 6mm Allen key, and a Tacx 20 Allen key. First, with your friend, tilt the trainer up and install the front legs. It should fit right into place. Then, using the 8mm Allen key, tighten the 130mm bolt for the lower position and the 90mm bolt for the top. Now, with the help of your friend, tilt the trainer onto the front legs and handlebars. Put the back legs into place. Then, insert and tighten the 2 65mm bolts with the 8mm Allen key to install them. Tilt the trainer onto its legs. Now you're ready to install your pedals to the trainer. There are 2 different inserts for the pedals, allowing you to select from 3 different crank lengths. For this video, we will be using the 172.5mm crank lengths, but the process is the same for whichever size of crank lengths you prefer. Insert the crank length adapter into the pedal. Then, screw your pedals into the mount. Place the cap in the saddle rail and slide the saddle onto the rail. Loosen the bolts using the 6 and 8mm Allen keys and adjust the saddle to the desired height and saddle position. Once done, retighten the screws until your saddle is secure. Place the other cap, then slide the control panel and handlebars onto the handlebar rail and set your desired height. Then tighten with the 6mm Allen key. Next, mount the air fans using the Tacx 20 wrench and plug the power cables into place. Now, mount the tablet strap. Finally, plug in your Neo bike. And that's it! You've successfully set up your new Neo bike. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.